a Shelby Cobra. Oh my God. So this Cobra is my super... Ah, I set up a car alarm! Yes! I feel so vulnerable in this thing, and I can't believe that people won 24-hour races in this. I mean, listen to it. It's vibrating my camera like crazy, and I'm smiling ear to ear. I can't even believe this is happening. Superformance invited us down to drive their cars today in Southern California, and I feel like $1 million in this thing. I feel like I'm a showstopper everywhere I go. Clutch is actually not that bad. It's a little difficult on hills, but other than that, it's fine. There's another one. One thing about this car, gotta get gas first. We're already out of gas. What we have here is a Shelby Cobra. It's a Mark III chassis, and it makes 575 horsepower. Now, it weighs a little bit over 2,000 pounds, and it makes 575 horsepower. These are the same cars that Carroll Shelby and the Badasses at Le Mans had and raced at Le Mans with a lap belt and nothing else. But it's interesting, you sit super low, you can barely even see over the hood, because I'm not the tallest guy on earth, but you have power everywhere. You're never out of power, and it goes, dude. This is like so raw. So as soon as you get in the Cobra, once again, it's a race car. There's just gauges, there's no AC, it's just carpet. It is a raw, crazy freaking machine. And you only have a lap belt, so if you weren't crazy enough already, you only have a lap belt. So these people at Le Mans with Carroll Shelby were racing with only a lap belt. Okay. Oh my God. What? It's unlike anything I've ever driven. Nothing. It handles decently, but you'll spin tires if you're not careful. I just readjusted my camera, so sorry guys. This is primitive technology with a twist. This car is more modernized, but it still feels old school, and you get the whiffs of the fuel and everything else. You have this beautiful wooden wheel, but you have no power steering, so my little chicken arms take a beating with this thing. I'm screaming in parking lots just trying to get it to turn around. It drives so smooth, it's serene, it's such a wonderful experience just cruising down the street here in Southern California. You are one with the car, and that's why you sit so low in it for the driving experience. So funny, because the Shelby Cobra has almost this innocent face, because it was this British chassis that Carroll Shelby wanted to use, and then he was like, let's put a big ass V8 in it, and that's how the Cobra became to be. But the Cobra has this very like adorable face, right? And it's like, hello, come and play with me. I won't bite you, but you gotta be careful. Shake and bake sunglasses, because that's what we're doing today. We're shaking and we're baking in the Shelby Cobra. You don't even have an option to put a top on this thing. They did have a hardtop version, but it's very, very rare. So this Shelby Cobra was built by Superformance. It's an awesome word, right? Superformance, yeah? Well, they're located in Southern California. They build Cobras like this, Daytonas, build stuff like the Grand Sport. So we have a Corvette Grand Sport with us, another Cobra, and a Daytona with us. And it's like we literally time traveled. Everything's built in-house. All the bodywork, everything. It is so well put together. The fit and finish, you would never know that they, like a shop in Southern California just built it. You know what I mean? It is unbelievably well done. Real Shelby Cobras, they go for so much money, even millions of dollars sometimes. So the fact that you could build your own and you can personalize it, you can put whatever motor you want in it, they'll do it for you. So if you even wanted to sacrilegious and put a Chevy motor in it, you could. But this is more period correct. We have a small block Ford, carbureted. You can't beat it, dude. You could have a Lamborghini, you could have a Ferrari, you could have any supercar in the entire world, and nothing will make everybody's day like a Shelby Cobra. It has this hint of modernism to it, but at the same time it has the love of classics. And people love old cars, man. This is the ultimate head turner. So if you like attention, this is a car for you. It's almost bike kind of sound to it, right? Kind of sounds like a motorcycle. It has this very old school sound to it. There's the Grand Sport. So the Grand Sport has a LT1 in it, modern LT1 in it, so that's pretty cool. I see a McLaren 650S in front of me, and I feel way cooler than him. I don't need your traction control. Shelby Cobra. I can't believe I finally got the opportunity to drive one. But other than that, I had an amazing time. Thank you all so much for watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time, and take it easy. Shelby behind me is called an FAM, and you'll never guess what it actually means. Ferrari's ass is mine. The fam. Hey, you, want clean wheels? Hey, use this, spray on, let it sit for 45 seconds and turn purple. Spray again with water, clean wheels. Make sure to check out www.pattersoncarcare.com. Made by car dudes, for car dudes.